Creating text links is a great way to direct your users to another page. So in order to create a clickable text, you need to click on edit and then create a new block. Here write any text you want and then highlight it. Here you need to click on this link icon and then enter the link. I will connect it to squarespace.com and click apply. So in the preview, when I hit save changes, it will take some time. So now when I click on this text, you can see when I will click on this text, Squarespace website has been opened. I hope you found this video useful. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.